we have to answer the question, what am I actually looking for in a web hosting service? In other words, what are the essentials that make up a good hosting service? Several standout features were on my radar while testing the hosting services. I prioritized the disk space, the site load time, and server bandwidth. This is so that you have ample data storage and effective data transfers. The control panels specifically and the efficiency of the auto installers in deploying applications were other essential factors that I checked. I assessed each platform's support range, covering everything from WordPress to Magento. The importance of SSL certificates and especially their quality wasn't missed either. And generally, security was a huge factor that I keenly looked into. I also noted how many domains a service could host and checked for consistent backups. Above, I considered the value for money, looking at the difference between high-end features versus affordability. FastComet is your best bet when aiming to engage audiences in Asia and Oceania, and that includes places like India and Japan. As a rule of thumb, you shouldn't use US or European-based servers to cater to Asian visitors. That's like sending party invitations via snail mail, many won't wait around. FastComet offers Asian servers and also delivers decent performance in other regions like the US and Europe. With its intuitive design and smart cPanel integrations, navigating the management dashboards is very straightforward, even if you're new to web hosting services. The support agents are knowledgeable and always ready to help as well. Though, like any other service, there can be an off day where you might catch an agent that is on their coffee break. But persistence pays. Ask again and you'll likely find the help that you need. Click the links below this video to access discounted rates and up-to-date web hosting deals. Finding a near-perfect web hosting service is challenging to say the least, even for the most tech-savvy individuals. Each hosting service has unique strengths and shortfalls, so it mostly depends on the features that you are going to prioritize. Now the baton is in your hands, so reflect on your needs, match them up with the insights from this video, and make the most informed decision for you. Remember, the digital landscape is vast, but with the right partner, navigating it becomes a thrilling journey. Choose wisely. That's it for me. Let us know your experience with your other hosting services down in the comment section, and remember to hit that like button if you did find the information in this video to be helpful. As always, we appreciate your support, and we'll see you in the next video.